The load capacity of our fastening technology is 50 kilograms per fastener in the profile tooth direction. So if you consider a level with 8 fasteners, this level can be loaded with 400 kilograms. I would like to refer you to the details page in the online shop for the other load values of the fastening technology. The other load directions can be found in the properties of the respective products. The loads on the profiles naturally depend on the profile in question. Whether you have a normal standard profile tube D30 or a profile tube D30 heavy duty, which has a thicker wall, or, for example, the double profile tube, it also depends on the support width. We recommend simply using the deflection calculator. You can then calculate your maximum load capacity accordingly.